You're watching Throttle House. I'm Thomas.
And I'm James.
And this is one hell of a drag race.
Two rear-wheel drive, naturally aspirated V10s. One's a Lambo, the other's a Lexus. Not a likely pairing. Are we gonna learn anything from this race? Probably not. But when you stick two beautiful sounding V10 songs together, you might just get a symphony. Let's do this.
Okay, V10 day. This is the best day you can have in a car, I think. So we did a rock, paper, scissors, and James got the LFA. And I'm very, very sad about that because it's the best sounding car ever. The good news is I get to hear it from in here. Although, will I though? Because I'm probably gonna win this. I think we have an issue where we can't do a launch control on the LFA because the clutches in those are very expensive and very sensitive. So I'm going to also do kind of like a stoplight just on the throttle go, but I've got all the settings right, I think. This is a really crazy car, by the way, the STO. I just did some laps to warm up the oil temps, and holy crap, we only drove it on the road, and on a track, this thing is absolutely neck level.
It doesn't really matter who wins this race. Everyone wins. Like, if I lose, I win because I'm in an LFA and it's gonna make music. And I'm gonna downshift at the end, even if I've lost. And I probably should lose because that's 12, 11, 10 years newer and lighter, but they both have naturally aspirated V10s. This is pretty quick, and they're both in white. They're quite scary though. This is rear-wheel drive, it's worth over $1 million, and you don't need to spend $1 million to have fun at a track or on a drag strip, which is why we've partnered with Omaze, because we're giving away a C8 Corvette, which is the very beginning of mid-engine bliss. We'll talk about it more at the end, but all you need to know right now is go to this link. And the best part is your entry goes towards helping a good cause. Tom's just scared himself.
Shut up, James. You shut up. It scared me, okay? There's a lot of power.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Bit of a delay. And we're off.
He's not catching me that quickly!
Okay. I might have messed that up.
What happened there?
Everything's in the sportiest mode, but I think I gotta manually shift.
Could it be that the LFA is quicker?
That doesn't count.
What happened?
That doesn't. I don't know. It kept auto upshifting on me. So.
All right, well, let's do it again, I guess.
Well, we're just gonna give the LFA that one.
Okay.
We're gonna give the LFA that. That's fair enough because pilot error. It's a scary car. I'm gonna manually shift this next time because it wasn't letting me get right to the red line, even though I'm in this everything sportiest.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, one more.
That sounded good, by the way.
I know.
I could hear it over this.
I know.
Crazy. Okay, here we go. Can't use thrust mode, as Lamborghini calls it. Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, rear spinning. Ah!
Oh, he's off.
Oh, this is such a quick car.
He's not that far ahead.
Oh my God.
Okay, he's pretty far. Listen to that! Oh! Oh, yes!
Oh, it doesn't weigh anything. You can feel it on the brakes.
That's what I remember. Oh, who won? I win.
God, that's cool. Oh, man.
You can't feel like you've lost in this.
Yeah, no, I bet.
The downshifts, the upshifts. So it turns out a decade newer Lambo is quicker than a Lexus.
Yeah, naturally aspirated V10 versus naturally aspirated V10. I mean, this thing doesn't have any weight in it.
No,
Like
just you.
You could, yeah, just me. I did have a big burger for lunch. I got what's like the trackside burger. Had like bacon and onions and cheese on it. It was good.
All right, well let's give it a roll.
Was that?
give it- huh?
You mean like do a roll race?
Yeah, let's give it a roll race.
Oh, okay.
Not a roll of fat.
Okay, that wasn't clear. I wasn't sure what you meant. Yes, let's do a roll race. Why? Fun.
You might have had a launch advantage there with your lightweight.
Okay, fine. Bye, James.
I'm going back to the start.
Off the wall. What a car.
The only thing is his dual clutch gearbox, because this single clutch is a bit old feeling. It does not get old. It doesn't get old. Should it cost $1 million? I don't know. I don't decide that. But that noise.
Bye-bye.
Oh, it's so much faster. Foot to the floor.
What was that noise?
Oh.
My goodness.
I wish we were giving away an LFA, honestly.
So I won. Well, we can move on from that. There's so little insulation in the body of this. A stone hit the wheel well from like a tire getting kicked up, and I have peed my pants. It was so loud.
Oh no.
It was so loud. It's just the wheel well. There's no sound deadening in it.
Yeah, my cheeks hurt.
I know.
It genuinely
I know.
hurt.
That car is something special. It really, really is. Like to a degree that no other car I've ever driven makes me feel like that one does.
How do I make an MX-5 make this sound?
You put a Lexus LFA engine in it. That's how you
Challenge accepted.
do that.
The LFA then, with its extra weight and lesser horsepower, doesn't quite have the chops to beat the Huracan in a straight line. But when a car provides the experience this one does, it's really hard to care.
Good news is the Huracan STO also has quite the sound to its V10, and the speed, and a shark fin. Absolutely nothing was learned from this race. But when you get the opportunity to put these two vehicles together on the strip, you do it. Even if their combined value is now nearing $2 million. But if you want to pilot something a little less intimidating, we are giving away a new C8 Corvette with Omaze. For your chance to win the car, go to omaze.com/throttlehouse22 to enter. Not only do your entries give you a chance to win, but donations also support a great cause. In this case, it's the 500 Festival Foundation, which helps bring free youth education for underserved communities. So enter and good luck.